The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
And welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Okay, the impeachment keeps going on and on and on. It's all we hear about. So sick of the impeachment. I mean, it's amazing to me. If they really want, I mean, these Democrats are so stupid. I mean, just look at any of them. Especially, I mean, when we take Schiff, Adam Schiff. I mean, the guy, his eyes bug out of his head. I mean, he looks like a dope. If they're so hell-bent on impeaching somebody, they should impeach themselves. Especially when they passed the Tax Cut and Jobs Act in 2017. I mean, you talk about something that's so unfair, that's criminal, that benefits corporations and really screws every American has to pay taxes. When you sit there and you got to write out your taxes and you're struggling, and think of these corporations who are making billions of dollars, and not only do they pay no tax, they even get a rebate. It's unbelievable. So let's think about it for a moment. President Trump asked the new president of Ukraine to look into the 2016 election that we now know is so corrupt. We know the corruption started in Europe. We know that Hillary Clinton was involved with the CIA and the rest of them to interfere with the election. And it also was involved in Ukraine. That's where all that stuff started, the dossier and all that nonsense. And so Trump's on the phone and he asked the president of Ukraine, who got elected because he's supposed to be fighting corruption. He gets elected and they're having a conversation. And Trump says, hey, take a look. Do me a favor, take a look at the 2016 elections. Because we think the CIA was involved with Ukraine and trying to put the screws to me. And by the way, take a look at Biden and his son. They're making a fortune. Biden, he's a crackhead, thrown out of the Navy for being a crackhead. And all of a sudden, his dad gets him appointed to this board, the gas exploration company. He's making $60,000 a month. And then he and his dad get together, and all of a sudden, his son is now making $1.5 billion after his son introduced Biden to somebody in China. So they're picking up millions of dollars. So something's wrong here. So would you take a look at that for me? Now, what is wrong with that? Oh, but the Democrats, well, we're going to impeach him for having a phone conversation with the president of Ukraine to ask him to look into the corrupt 2016 election, which Hillary Clinton got all involved with. Oh, and look into the Bidens. So they're not going to go and look into the Bidens. No, that's fine. They can get $1.5 billion from China. The kid can get $60,000 a month sitting on a board. He knows nothing about gas, nothing about exploration. The lies, we see him coming out. There's a photograph with Joe Biden, his son, and the executives of the gas company, which he lied to us and said he never talked with his son about it, and he never met the people from the company. And there they are, golf course, picture, the whole deal. So Biden's a liar. Oh, but don't go after him. He's fine. He's okay. Look how stupid this is. If you want to get the whole country behind you in an impeachment, don't go after that. You're never going to win. And you're not going to and you're not going to put enough crap on the president's shoes. He's going to lose the election either, because a lot of Americans are going to be pretty angry over what's going on. Remember, 50% of the voters are independent, and they're pretty smart. That's why they're independent. I'm an independent voter because I can't stand either the Republicans or the Democrats. But if they really want an impeachment, go look at the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. You want something that's criminal. Impeach the entire Congress because they helped corporations to avoid all income taxes on billions in profits. It's a tax system that is stacked against all of Main Street in favor of large corporations. You want to impeach? Go take a look at the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. You'll get every person on Main Street behind you because it's so stacked against Main Street, this tax system. And who's behind this tax system? Larry Kudlow, top advisor to the president. Art Laffer, Steve Moore, his three main guys trying to take care of the large corporations. Sold Trump a bill of goods. Think about this. The new corporation tax rate alone will save corporations $1.3 trillion over the next 10 years. But it's going to raise the federal deficit $900 billion this year. Say $1 trillion. And then another $1 trillion starting in 2022. How does that benefit us? Now think about this. You got John Deere. They reported profits of $2.1 billion, and then under this Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, it owed no U.S. taxes in 2018. None. Not only did they not pay any taxes on profits of $2.3 billion, they got another rebate of $1.5 billion. What are you, nuts? A company's making profits of $2.3 billion, pays zero taxes, and they get a rebate of $1.2 billion. And worse. And they're owed now by the Treasury an additional $268 million after they take various deductions and credits that were put in a new tax law. And I was letting them deduct certain things and tax credits. Now, we have to give them, not only do they not pay any taxes on $2.3 billion, they got a rebate of $1.2 billion, and now the U.S. government owes them another $268 million. That's one company. What are you, nuts? The other thing, Kudlow and Moore, I'll guarantee you, never talked to the president about, is this tax law. Immediately, there was only 30 companies that were paying zero in taxes. The minute they signed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, they doubled the amount of companies who paid zero taxes. You want to impeach? There you go. You'll get the whole country behind you. They lowered the corporate tax rate to 21% from 35% when they were paying even less than 21%. And they convinced the president, these three gangsters, his advisors, if he did this, corporate behavior would change and Main Street would benefit. Wages would skyrocket. More jobs. Really? How about getting rid of stock buybacks? That never happened. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. We'll be back right after this break here on Phil's Gang. Join my gang, $39.95 a month, and help St. Jude.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
We make sure our gang members are positioned to sell the market short with the same ease as going long. So you join the gang for $39.95, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You decide when you join the gang of our membership group what you want to follow. So let's say you decide you want to start following gold. Okay, so let's say you're going to follow AU. And by the way, we started to buy AU on May 30th. We're up 89%. We're there every day to tell our members what to do. At 2 o'clock, there's the video. Or if you want to be aggressive and you want to be a real trader, just come to my class every day from 9:30 to 11. That's your choice. If you get confused, you get a hold of us. You have your own personal coach, for God's sakes. And if you do exactly what we tell you in that video every day, you'll be making money consistent.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, boydinvestigativegroup.com.
License number A1900020.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
We're speaking with Jared Douglas. He's a licensed mortgage loan originator, and his company's called Cash Call Mortgage. Let me give you his number, 949-535-9385, or you can go to cashcallmortgage.com. Jared, I want to thank you. The service you gave us was incredible. Why don't you explain a little bit when you say how you specialize in alternative products for self-employed applicants?
Yes, thank you, Phil. Thanks for having me on. So what we specialize in is alternative product for applicants who are self-employed. We have a product for applicants that are, have a lot of assets but no documentable income. And then we have another version for, real estate investors. So there's 3 versions of our alternative approach or alternative product that helps people with, outside-the-box scenarios get financing.
Again, let me give you his number, 949-535-9385, 949-535-9385, or you can go to cashcallmortgage.com.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. I keep telling you, everybody talks about the fake news with politics, but I think it's even worse, or even as bad, with the fake news we're getting from the financial networks, the cable networks. Do you remember the other day, and I'm going to try to find the cut, where Larry Kudlow came out, and I was so upset. He said how terrific that manufacturing was. Let's see if I have it. I may have it here. I'll rack it up next time, but I'll find it. But anyways, he came out and he said, wow, it was terrific, really great. And I got really angry, and I said, wait a minute. I've been saying, right here it is, thank you. My producer just put it up. All right, let me play this for you. Listen to this, biggest lie in the world.
We've got the best manufacturing. Those are facts.
Those, really? Well, the facts came out today. And you know what the facts were? Exactly what I've been saying for the last year. That in the last 10 years, manufacturing has gone to hell. It started with Obama. He did nothing to stop the outsourcing. When they started with QE and stock buybacks and the outsourcing, he did nothing to stop it. And the outsourcing was incredible. So it came out today, and guess what they said? It's the worst in 10 years. The worst in 10 years, manufacturing. But I've been saying that to you. And Larry Kudlow comes out, I think it was Friday, said this.
We've got the best manufacturing. Those are facts.
Those are facts. I think it was Friday he said that. Thursday or Friday. And they came out today and said the worst in 10 years. But, then you follow through. And listen to this. Remember he was telling us how fast the economy was going to grow? And I said, the economy can't grow. The reason why the economy hasn't grown in 10 years is because there's too much debt. And when you have too much debt, you can't grow. It's like having a canoe, and the anchor is the size, you're using an anchor the size that Queen Mary would use. Debt kills earnings. Debt kills jobs. And when you have historic debt, not only am I talking about the $22 trillion, actually it's $122 trillion when you put in Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, and then you have household debt, historic $13 trillion, you can't grow. But he came out, remember, and he said this.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
Remember that? 4 or 5%. Then as time was going on, the economy wasn't growing. Then he reduces it to this.
Now, we got news this morning that in the second quarter, we're only growing at 2%. To get to 3% for the whole year means an enormous growth rate in the third and fourth quarter, something like 4.5%, 5%.
Well, I'm not giving up the flag. By the way, if you measure these things from year end to year end, so-called fourth over fourth, we may still be hanging in there.
Unbelievable. Remember, he went first from 5% to 3 to 4-ish, and now it drops to 2%. And he may, it's how you count it. It's disgusting, isn't it? These are the people who should be impeached. They just lie to us. Unbelievable, isn't it? You know what I want you to do? I want you to be patient with gold. Everybody's asking me about gold. And I'm telling you, yes, we made a lot of money on gold this year. That's been our big winner this year, gold. We started to buy gold when nobody else wanted it. We remember gold in March of 2013 was at a high of 16.15. Then it dropped to 12.75. That was in May of 2019. That's when I told my gang members, let's start buying it. After it dropped from 16.15, that was in year 2013. And here this year, in May of 2019, it was down to 1,275. And at the same time, in May of 2019, I said, let's start buying it, because what we're starting to see is the inversion of the 3-month and 10-year Treasury. And that's going to indicate to all investors around the world that the economy can't grow. But yet Larry Kudlow kept on calling and telling us the economy is going to grow 5%, 4-ish, 3-ish, didn't grow 2%. Matter of fact, this quarter we're in now, it's going to be probably 1.5%. But the point is that gold in May, it was a perfect timing because of the yield inversion and the trade wars. Perfect. So the gold, as I said, she rallied beautifully. She went from 12.75 in May to 15.75 in September of this year, all due to the yield inversion. The talk on trade wars had a little bit to do with it. And then all of a sudden, we had a color code change on our chart. In fact, if you go to my site, philsgang.com, and I'm going to put up for you a symbol AU, you can see this is one we made a 60% return on. We bought this and we entered when it turned from red to green on May 30th. And remember, right before that, one day before that is when the inversion happened. And now it turned red. So gold right now is coming back the other way. Now, the reason it's coming back the other way is because these jibber jabbers on these financial TV shows, these networks, these cables, are telling everybody, oh, everything's fine. Don't worry. We're not going to have a recession. Don't even look at the inversion of the yield curve. Don't worry. Everything's fine. So people now feel comfortable, and they're getting out of the bond market. They're selling their bonds. And when you sell your bonds, the dollar goes up. And when the dollar goes up, that sets gold down. And when I come back, I'm going to give you a good investment when I return, what to do with these gold stocks. We'll be right back. Remember St. Jude. Join my gang, $39.95.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativegroup.com.
License number A1900020.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Join my gang. You know, what nobody's paying attention to is that, and I show this to my members all the time. In fact, I think I explain this on, if you go to my site, philsgang.com, and go to YouTube, you'll see it. I explain, just click on radio show. And if you go, and you'll see, if you go back on the S&P, and nobody's talking about this. It's ridiculous. That's why you got to stop listening to these guys on these financial cable networks because they don't have your interest at heart. It's their own interest. So if you take and you go back to October when the market had a 20% crash, that was in 2018, and you draw a straight line across, okay, and you draw a straight line across, you can see what's happened. Every time it hit right around that 295 area, it failed. And we had the last two failures. The last time it went up through that 295 area, went up to about 300 and dropped all the way back down below 295. Same thing is happening now. It just broke down through 295 again. It can't hold its rally. So from October of 2018 to October today, it's been 1 year. In 1 year, the market hasn't gone anywhere. So you have to choose and pick certain areas to go in. And that's why we're looking, we made a lot of money in gold, and we'll continue to make a lot of money in gold. But you also want to be in a position to sell short. But God, if you just look at this, no one believes it because not any person on these financial network shows, these cable networks, are pointing this out because they don't want you to look at this. They don't want you to understand the market in 1 year. We're right back where we were in October of a year ago. And then when every time it breaks out a little bit above 295, oh, they get all excited. Well, look at this, all to new highs. All time, boy, they got their whistles are blowing, and they bring the experts on. How do we get there? And blah, 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 blah. All garbage. All garbage. So now what you got to understand, we have another opportunity. Now, if you take AU, and I'll put it up on my chart. So if you go to my site, philsgang.com, if you have a mobile device, you can see it. I'll put up AU. And you can see AU, we had a fantastic, that was our first stock that we rallied off of. And we bought that stock right back in May. And when we grabbed that stock in May, we had let me just bring it back here. 1 year. Here we go. We bought that in May. And let's just I'll back it off a little bit because not everybody made 60%. So let's say average it at 50%. So we made a nice 50% return. But now we did the opposite. Now we're going in and we're making money as it's coming down again. We're already having 8% profit coming down because it turned red. So why don't you do this? Just follow me on Gold AU for the next month. Become a member of the gang, $39.95, and just for the next month, follow me. I'll give you the chart, the color-coded chart, free for the month. It's $30. You can have that free, and you're going to see. And again, remember, the market since last October to this October has been 1 year. It's the same exact place. And understand what's going on. The entire stock market, the only thing that's propping it up is stock buybacks. Stock buybacks have been propping it up. But guess what's happening? In 1 year time, over the past year, that's not even helping. It's not helping. Why? Because we have tremendous amount of money that's coming out of the stock market. The big institutions are pulling their money out. You're not going to be told this. So all you have to do is get ready because gold, what's going to happen is everybody's going to be running. Like, here's what's going on right now. Everybody's running dumping their euros and they're buying the dollar. So that doesn't help gold. You want the dollar going down for gold to go up. But remember, when gold went up, AU went up 60%. I'll use 50%. 50%, remember, the dollar at that time was going up. Because that's how strong the sentiment is. They wanted to get into gold. Countries are buying gold. They know what's going to happen. This market's going to give away to a huge correction. So join my gang. Okay, 877-600-GANG. And for today, we'll shut it off tonight. If you join, just follow me you can, and just follow the goals. You can follow anything you want, obviously. Okay, we have every afternoon at 2:00, we put out our video, and it's our working investor video, where again we have a member portfolio of stocks, and we give you an instruction what to do with each one of our stocks. So if you're a gang member, and whatever stock that you have chosen of our portfolio, we put it on a video to tell you exactly what to do. And if you do that, exactly what we tell you to do, you're going to be just fine. It works. So just try it for a month. So again, I'll give you the chart. It's $30 normally. You'll get that free. Join the gang, $39.95. And I'm telling you, just start following me with gold. Now, AU is a good one, but there's another good one, because remember, if you look at gold, 1487 was the support. There's a huge pattern. It's called the head and shoulders pattern. And it's starting to break through that 1487. They're going to be selling this gold. It's going to drop. So we're going to start getting it on the way back down. And then at some point, they're going to turn around and they're going to run it right back up. And we're going to catch both sides of that trade, both sides of that investment. All you have to do is at 2:00, or when you get home at work at night, is just follow the video on our gold stock, the one that we're into, and just do exactly what we tell you to do. Here, give you an example. One of our stocks is Caterpillar. We've been following that, and this is what you listen to.
Caterpillar, okay. This one, go ahead and add to your short position. Keep your stop up around 129.31.
So there you go. So you get the instruction exactly what to do off the color-coded chart, which is red and green. And that video comes out on each one of our portfolio stocks at 2:00 Eastern Time. So just follow that. That's all. But I'd like to have you follow gold, because I'm telling you, we're going to make a lot more money in gold. So another good gold stock is GDX. Same thing. Head and shoulder pattern. If you go look at gold itself, it's breaking at 1487. These stocks are all setting up. Now, if they turn around and go back up, we'll be ready, because the color-coded chart will turn back to green. That's the beautiful thing about a color-coded chart. You don't have to know anything about the stock. You're just following the money. So anyways, 877-600-GANG. We'll shut this thing off tonight. You get the chart free, $30. That's free. And then, again, you have to join the gang to get the chart, $39.95. So 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. And we ask that you just help St. Jude. Remember, $39.95, we've had that price for over 20 years. We never changed that price. Not once. Because why? Because we're here to help the kids, too. Okay, so gold is a very, very good place to be. And you got to be there before anybody else. Matter of fact, when we bought gold, everybody started talking about buying gold in September. We already bought gold back in May. And now everybody that told you to buy gold in September, they're losing money. If you're listening to CNBC and all these shows, you'd be losing money if you're in gold stocks. They got you in exactly at the wrong time, when money was coming back out. I'll be back. 877-600-GANG. Pick up your free chart with a membership, $39.95 membership.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. So the yields are dropping. Okay, so that means the dollar's going to drop. And we're going to take a look at the dollar right now, this moment. And that's because of the bad news of manufacturing. So let me go check the dollar for you. You piece the symbol if you want to follow me. Yeah, and the dollar's dropping. So this is good for gold. This is good for gold. So again, just join my gang, and all you have to do, I'll give you the chart free, the color-coded chart. That's what I'm looking at right now. And as soon as the dollar starts turning red, then we're going to start seeing our gold stocks turn green and go back up. And right now, if you look at our favorite AU, that's the one we made over 50% return on. It's red right now. So in the next couple of days, we're going to keep watching the dollar. If the dollar drops, then our AU, our stock, will go right up. and we'll buy it to the upside. If it turns green, we'll buy it. If it stays red and the dollar doesn't drop, see, all you have to do is know a little bit about yields. If the yield goes down, the dollar goes down, golds go up. So this morning was 172. Now it's 1.64. So the yield's going down. That should take the dollar down, and that should move our golds back up. Now, AU is still red, so that means we wouldn't buy it right now. But the minute it turns green, and we take care of all this for you. You haven't got to do a thing. We post it just like we posted Caterpillar. So, again, I'll give you that chart. We're going to limit it tonight with the membership. You got to have a membership, $39.95, and you get the chart for $30. And you get that free. And remember St. Jude, please. So here's what's going on with manufacturing. I've been saying all along that manufacturing is not going to come back to the United States. Manufacturing, remember, when we turned the corner, we switched our economy from a manufacturing economy to a financial service economy. And that's when we shipped all of our jobs overseas because we didn't want to be a manufacturing economy. And the big reason was pensions. Because pensions were too expensive. You had to get good people in to manage your pension so to assure your workers when they retired, they would live the same lifestyle they became accustomed to while working. And it became so expensive that we kept on taking and outsourcing more and more jobs. One thing about corporations, all they care about is saving. What's the biggest expense? Labor. And when I hear how corporations are going to come back to the United States, and when Larry Kudlow and Laffer and Steve Moore convinced the president to start a trade war. These three guys are so stupid. Oh, that's, by the way, remember our gold was going up then too. When it was the trade war, that's a beautiful thing. That helped our gold go up. To start a trade war because they said companies would come back to the United States. They should take out a map. They should go back to grammar school and learn geography. Off the coast of China is not the United States. Off the coast of China, you have Vietnam. And they're becoming really industrialized. No company, Wrangler, they're not going to come back here and start paying somebody with benefits and everything else $33 an hour when they can pay in Vietnam 33 cents an hour. Boy, they just don't get it. You know what these people do? They just shoot their mouths off. And they don't get it. The Treasury yields dropped today. As soon as the manufacturing report came out that said U.S. factory gauge hits 10-year low as global slowdown spreads. I've been saying that long. But remember, you keep getting lied to.
We've got the best manufacturing. Those are facts.
You are looking at economic growth, GDP, 3% growth. You sticking to that?
I'm sticking to that. No reason to shift.
Yeah, well, wait a minute. You already shifted, Larry.
It looks like it's 4-ish. I'd be thrilled if it was 3+. We are getting 3.
Isn't it amazing? So no one is going to come back, bring their factories from China back to the United States. They're going to Vietnam. They're going to those kind of countries. And remember, right now, you can't. It's over for manufacturing in this country. It's just over. We're a service economy. We're not a manufacturing economy anymore. The only thing that people buy, it used to be housing, but even housing now, all we used to do was flip houses. Remember, build houses, flip houses. That's gone because wages haven't gone up enough. So people can get a savings account, get saved money, and buy a house. I mean, you know where our growth is? Our growth is in the worst industries. The worst industries like printing. That's a big help. Food, beverages, tobacco. That's the United States now. Those are our industries. They know what they pay? Nothing. They pay nothing. And also, when you look at the factory orders, just go take a look at the durable goods orders. Those are expensive items like a washing machine or a van or a big screen TV. When you pull out the numbers, the military orders like airplanes, fighters, and all that, durable goods is collapsing, but they don't tell you that. They just give you the top line number. So the only way you can make money in this market is if you finally decide there's no more fundamentals to the market. There's no more fundamentals to the market. All you have to do, if you follow fundamentals, you're going to lose. You're going to lose. But if you follow the big banks, the big insurance companies, the big pension funds, they always know where to put their money. And that's how I designed my chart. A color-coded chart tells me when they're putting money in, they're taking money out. It works. So gold, I'm telling you, gold either is going to drop big or it's going to turn around and shoot back up if the dollar starts dropping. It's all up to the dollar right now. It's all up to the dollar. And the more bad news you get, the more the treasury yields drop and the dollar drops. And that means gold goes up. So 877-600-GANG, $39.95. Join the gang tonight. Get your $30 color-coded chart free. And every day at 2 o'clock Eastern, or when you get home from work, just click on, and there's the video. It tells you exactly what to do with our gold stocks or any of our member stocks. Okay, before I'm running out of time. We also are seeing that the Fed, okay, they have been so wrong. The Federal Reserve has been so wrong. They've been making the wrong moves, okay? They should don't keep on lowering these rates down to zero again or near zero. That's been killing the economy for the last 10 years. The more you lower rates to zero, you're only benefiting the corporations where they're getting that money, that cheap money, and they're buying the shares for themselves. And it destroys the economy. When they take that money, free money or close to zero money or even low interest rate money, it goes to buying shares. Main Street, you get nothing. None of that trickles down to you. The very, very wealthy, they become very, very wealthy, more wealthy because of the stock market's going up. You get wealthy with wages. The person's making 40 to 60, even 70,000 a year. He hasn't got enough money to be in the stock market. Most of them don't. They don't. So their wealth was always in housing, but that's been destroyed. After the housing market crash, it's never come back. It's always been propped up. The whole economy's been propped up. And that's why you're seeing now, finally, you're starting to see the truth come out. Factory orders are down. You're starting to see over 1 year. It's been 1 year, and the stock market hasn't broken out in over a year. Join my gang. Get your free color-coded chart, and it'll be only good for today. You get it free, and just follow the gold opportunity. It's going to work, believe me. 877-600-GANG. We cancel it out tonight, okay? The offer's only good for today. See you on the charts. Take care of St. Jude.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to